Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to make group chat on Snapchat. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app. Click on the message button at the lower left side of your screen. Now you want to click on the Add Friend button at the upper right corner of your screen. At the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on New Chat. Now you want to click on New Group right here so you can chat with up to 100 friends. So now just go ahead and add any users that you want or any friends that you want. So now just go ahead and create the group name. So once you've done that, let me just do that and click on the chat with group. Then now you can just go ahead and send any messages with your group, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.